Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn your YouTube progress bar into rainbow. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the search bar and type Google Chrome extension. Now, go on the search bar and type StyleBot. Download this extension, this one. Now, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Now, the extension is added. Click over here on this puzzle icon on top right and pin this extension. Okay, now go again on YouTube video. Click on this extension. Select Open Style Bot. Okay, refresh the page. Click on Open Style Bot. Now the extension is open. Go on bottom and select code. Now here, paste this code. Now as you can see, YouTube progress bar is changed into rainbow. So that's it for the video. I will provide the code in the description. That's how you can change your YouTube progress bar into rainbow. Thanks for watching.